Hello everyone, welcome back to Java Revisited. In this video, I will show you guys how to check if an array contains duplicate. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest notification. So at first, we want to walk through the algorithm for this problem. In this problem, I will create a nested for loop. It means that I will create a loop that exists inside the body of another loop. The outer loop will iterate through the array from 0 to length of the array. The outer loop will select an element, then the inner loop will be used to compare the selected element with the rest of the elements of the array. Here I have an example. The letter I will be indicated for the outer loop and the letter J will be indicated for the inner loop. Here the first letter R will be chosen to check with the rest letter in an array. As you can see, the letter at the I position is not the same as the letter at the J position, so I will increase J by 1 to check the next letter. J keep increasing until it reaches the end of the array. Then the I will increase by 1 to choose the next letter you want to check with the rest. And now the letter at I and J is the same, and so that letter will be stored in a result array. So later we can print it out, and the loop keeps continuing until I will reach the end of the array. And now let's move to the implementation part. I will talk about the check duplicate function first. The function will take an array as a parameter. So at the beginning of this function, I declare a boolean flag, set it as true. As soon as we find a duplicate character, we will set this flag to false, and this result array here will store the duplicated characters. So next is the nested loop I explained in the pseudocode part. If the character of the inner loop match with the outer loop, that duplicated character will be stored in a result array by using an array function that I created before and the flag set to false. Before continuing, let's talk about the array function here very quickly. The array function here is very simple. I will create a new array of size of the original array plus 1. Then I copy all of the elements from the original array to a new array I just created. Then add a new element to the left position of the new array and return the new array. That's all. Very simple, right? And go back with the check duplicate function. The last step here is to print the result. So if the flag is true, it means that there is no duplicate character. So we bring out the array doesn't contain any duplicated character. Otherwise, if the flag return false, it will bring the duplicate character. And let's run the program. So I'm gonna input a string like A, B, C, D, E. Yes, the array doesn't contain any duplicated character. It's a correct result. So we wanna try again. Input some string that includes some duplicated character like A, B, C, D, and B, C, A. And let's check. Yes, the array contains duplicated character and it's and they are A, B, and C. So the program is running well without any error. In summary, to solve the problem, we will use a nested loop run from 0 to the length of the array. The outer loop will select an element and the inner loop will compare with the selected element. Then, if matched, we will store the duplicated character into another array and print it out. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like, and if you have any question, feel free to comment below. In the next video, I will show you guys how to reverse a linked list in Java. So stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.